Here at Tasty, we like to give our favorite foods a little twist.
So today I am challenging Ivanna to combine two of our favorite summer potluck foods into one. There's something big under there. It barely fits.
It barely fits, but are you ready?
Are you ready? Oh, yours is so classy. Mine's so American.
You know, I want to show people when I go to potlucks that I appreciate their time.
And I want to show people like, you're gonna eat some meat. You can't have a potluck, like you can't have like a summer hang without a hot dog. And then you gotta, do some chili, like make it a little bit more.
That's true.
This is saying like, I don't swim in the pool. This is saying I get in the pool. Okay, so let's put these two vibes together. Maybe this person puts their feet in the pool.
They're gonna become one.
Do you know what you're gonna do?
I don't know if it's gonna work out. I hope it does.
Okay.
But if it does,
I feel like hot dogs are tricky, but I'm excited.
You know, as long as you have bread and as long as you have
a dog,
it's gonna be perfect.
Yeah, blues.
I don't know about the chili. It's gonna go somewhere.
I think the chili's gonna be great. I think, good luck. Okay, I'll see you later.
Bye. Bye. So I went grocery shopping and I'm gonna show you a few of the ingredients that I got so you can kind of see where I'm gonna go with this recipe. We've got some cream cheese, medium cheddar cheese, olive oil because you need this in every recipe pretty much, kosher salt, green onions, flour, hot dogs of course, honey, yeast jalapeno. I hope you're getting an idea of where I'm going with this, chicken stock, and some chili. All right, let's get cooking. Focaccia sounds fancy. It tastes fancy, but it's super beginner friendly. It's really easy to make, but we're gonna start with some flour. We're gonna need some salt, and we're gonna use instant yeast so you don't have to bloom the yeast, so you save an extra step and time. We're gonna mix this together. So one of the things that I love about this focaccia recipe is that you don't have to knead it. So my hands are not getting that dirty, at least not on this step. So we're gonna add some water. And instead of sugar, we're gonna use honey. Yeast loves sugar. Mix this until it's fully incorporated and just keep mixing until there's no more dry spots or flour. So make sure you get the bottom. So you have a shaggy dough, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer to another bowl and add some, I can't find my olive oil. If you've had focaccia before, you know how it's a little crunchy? This is what makes it crunchy. So you wanna add about 3 tablespoons. The oil is also gonna help the dough not stick to the bowl. And then you're gonna transfer this into your bowl. We're gonna drizzle even more olive oil on top. Yes. We're gonna get this covered and I'm gonna let it sit overnight. I think that if you let it sit overnight, it has a better texture, it has a better structure, it has a better flavor. But if you don't have time, you can do it for 3 to 4 hours and then you're good to go. Movie magic, it's been 24 hours, but I'm wearing the same clothes and we have our rested dough. You can already see some of the bubbles on the side, but she is bubbling, okay? She looks good, she smells great, and she can jiggle. Now, my hands are gonna get a little dirty, so I'm gonna take off my rings. We gotta oil her up. I'm gonna oil my hands a little bit because we're gonna fold the dough. And this folding method is gonna help it with structure, but we don't wanna overwork it because it's gonna be tough once you bake it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the bottom, kind of fold it to the center, rotate and fold again, and you can go a little bit higher, but do it gently so it doesn't break. Rotate and fold once more. Okay, she's so cute. Now what we're gonna do is transfer her to an oiled pan. Press it down a little bit, not too much, because you wanna give her some space to grow. She's just a girl. She will be a woman when she's baked. Spread your dough evenly, but give it a little bit of room so that it continues to rise and expand. We're gonna leave the dough at room temperature for about 2 to 3 hours until it doubles in size. We've got our focaccia, we have hot dogs. If you haven't guessed it already, we're making focaccia chili cheese dogs. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our hot dogs. Now remember, hot dogs are like a little pocket. We're gonna bake this with the focaccia and we have to score it because if not, they're gonna explode on you. And we wanna make it look pretty. So you wanna go about 1/4 of an inch in. You wanna score the whole hot dog and then we're gonna flip it and do it the other way. There you go. It's a little crosshatch. We're gonna do that with the rest of the hot dog, so I'll be right back. So we have our rested focaccia dough, and believe it or not, we're gonna add more oil. Again, Focaccia is supposed to be crispy, and what makes it crispy is the oil, so you wanna add a lot of it. So now for the best part, we're gonna dimple this dough. And the reason why we're doing this is because we wanna get the oil in between the dough and create more bubbles, which is gonna give it that classic focaccia texture and taste. And you can't have a chili cheese dog without cheese. And we're gonna add more on top of the focaccia, so we're just gonna sprinkle some of it on the focaccia now outside. Now we're gonna add the hot dogs, and you wanna spread them out evenly on top of the focaccia, and remember, don't push them down. You're just gonna lightly place them on top. Once you bake the focaccia, it's gonna kind of hug them a little bit, so you don't have to do any pressing. And remember to leave the squirt side up so it doesn't explode on you once you bake it. We're gonna bake this at 425 for 25 to 30 minutes until it's deeply golden and it's crispy around the edges. While the focaccia is baking, we're gonna make our chili cheese dip. It's a really easy recipe. All you need is chili, cheddar cheese, cream cheese, and beef stock. You're gonna add everything to the pot and stir occasionally until everything's combined and melted. The first time I had a chili cheese dog was when I came to America. Very American dish. My mom took me to Sonic and she bought me a foot-long chili cheese dog, and my life changed forever. I grew up in Texas and we put chili on everything, on chips, on hot dogs, on Doritos. So I had never thought of mixing cheese and chili together instead of putting it on top, and this is just taking away one extra step. This is looking smooth and I think we're ready to go. That was easy. Guys, this looks amazing. So we're gonna take this out so we can cut into individual pieces. Look at her. The hot dog is so cozy in the focaccia. Now it's time to plate our focaccia chili cheese dog. So we're gonna take some chili, add a little bit to the sides. I want Katie to see the hot dog. I don't wanna hide it. I'm gonna add some extra cheddar cheese. Does Katie eat spicy? I don't know, but we're gonna put jalapenos anyways. Cute. And then we're gonna throw in some scallions. Green onion, it's the same thing. And she's ready. I can't wait for Katie to see this. I think she's gonna like it. I think she's gonna be surprised by it, but I think she's gonna love it. Are you ready?
Yes, let me step up here with you.
I'm really excited to show you what I made. I think you're gonna love it.
I'm very excited too.
I got chili dogs, but it's the upgraded version.
Oh, wait, how cute are they? They look so cute.
It's still a chili dog, but instead of using hot dog buns, I did focaccia.
It looks so gourmet and so beautiful. It
Thank you.
Took it to another level.
But I do have extra chili.
Oh, okay.
So in case you want to dip it or add a little bit more,
Yeah.
I know you love chili.
I do love chili. I actually am obsessed with chili. All right.
You ready to try?
Yeah. Should we cheers?
Ready to try too. Yes. Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, oh my gosh.
Why did you burn it like that?
That is delicious.
Did you like it?
Honestly, it's like a hot dog, but it's just much more elevated and springy. I don't know. And you can just feel classy while you're eating your dog.
Yeah.
This is great, Ivanna. Thank you so much.
This is actually really good.
It's delicious.
I'm surprised by my own creation.
And you know what? The chili is great with the focaccia because it just soaks it up. You know?
That's true.
But it holds it well.
We gave focaccia and chili dog a twist, so if there's any recipe that you want us to give it a tasty twist, yes, let us know in the comments, and we'll see you again later.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. Are you good at cornhole?
No,
Oh.
I have terrible
Good.
aim.
Let's play.